Yeah, welcome my viewers, my listeners, my subscribers, and to my friends out there. I want to show you how to grow a small equity trading the rise and fall. If you look at my current equity here, if you look at the current equity, you can see it stated 2.46 USD. Now I'm going to grow this 2.46 USD into double figures and triple figures. So I'm going to start with going to the rise and fall. For those of us that want to trade the rise and fall, this is how to go. This is the derivative interface. This is the interface, but you click on this drop down here, this corner here, to get to the rise and fall interface. Okay, now this is it. You click on it and you go to the icon just by the day trader. You click on this icon and you move to smart trader. There you are. It will load and take you to the smart trader platform. And we have so many indices there. We have so many indices stated there. First of all, click on this link. Click on this drop down here. Click on it, and it will take you to synthetic indices, the volatilities, and the jump indices. Now you're going to click on this. We have so many markets there, but you're going to click on this right one right here. Okay, when you click on it, it will take you to look at what we have in the synthetic indices. We have the bear and the bull market. We have the jump index. We have continuous indices, which is the volatilities. Volatility 10 to 100. That's what we have there. So we are going to pick between these volatilities because the market is moving within the range. You don't have to stick to one. Sometimes it switches direction, so you have to look for the one that is running in line with what you're doing. Now before I proceed further, I want to urge, if you have a PC that is okay, a working PC, why not get the MT5 on the PC? Then I have some smart indicators that will help you guide the markets, that will help you, that will give you the signals before you enter a particular trade. Okay, so if you need this indicator, you can call my attention. It doesn't cost much. I will give you for a token. It doesn't cost much, though it's expensive. It's a very productive indicator, but for those of my subscribers, I'm going to slash the price. I'm going to slash it down. For those of my subscribers that are very much interested, just signal. I will slash it down for you. Instead of giving you for a certain amount, I'll bring it down. So that is for that. And for those using mobile phones, you don't have a PC, you have a mobile phone. The guarantee, I cannot guarantee you 100% of 100% results when you are trading the rise and fall using the mobile phone. Excuse me. When you are trading the rise and fall using the mobile phone, I'm not guaranteeing you 100% because I have tasted it and I have tried it. I tried it severally. I think my first video it was my mobile phone. I used my iPad and stuff like that, but I discovered the results at the later stage. The results started coming so poor and stuff like that. So I had to do a retrace. I have to retrace back to see where the fault is coming from. So trading with my PC, I discovered that the result was more accurate than trading with my mobile because the screen is broad. The screen is broad. You can see the whole spread and see the movement of the trend. So that is it. If you have a PC, fine. You are welcome to this business. At least you can make 100, 200, 300, 400, as far to 1,000 USD as the case may be, depending on your equity, depending on your, how do I put it, your zeal, your passion, or not even passion, your zeal to get to the result, your set result for the day. If you want to trade, like maybe you want to make like $10 per day or $20 per day as your profit for the day, you can actually achieve that on this smart trader platform. I try to decipher it. And I kind of crack the code. I've cracked the code, and I want to sell this idea to as many of my listeners and my subscribers here, and to all my viewers. So you can follow up. If you have a PC, just give me a call. Give me a call. Give me a chat in my WhatsApp, so I can let you in. So that is it. You pick one of the markets, like the volatility 25. Now I'm going to take a trade, but I cannot show you where I'm taking my signal from, because I'm using a mobile phone and my PC. So I'm going to check my PC now. I'm going to check my PC and see if the condition is met in any of the markets. I'm looking at my PC right now. I want you to see the equity I have in my window. The equity is saying 2.46. I think I just bought one now. So I'm going to take a trade on a particular equity now. I'm trading now. So I think I just bought one, but it's still not clear. I will have to check to be very sure that it's going to go in my direction. Then I'll take the trade. So even if I don't see anyone now, I'll pause the video and wait for the condition. When it is right, when all my conditions are in order on the main chart of my PC, then I will enter a trade and take my profit. Now I want you to set this thing so that you don't get it twisted. See the time, the duration. It's going to be in duration. Your time is going to be in minutes. Always remember to change that ticks to minutes so that you don't blow your money. Now I'm going to take a trade of 1.46. The equity I have there is $2. 1.46. I'm going to take a trade of 1.46, and my profit will be total take home will be 2.85. Now you're going to allow equals. Should in case the market retraces back to your starting point, you're still going to make some money. Okay, so I'm going to check the market now, and whenever I see a trade that is going to go to my direction, I will enter and I will play it so that you guys will see how this thing works. Okay, so just hold on. Let me look at my PC, look at my indicators, look at my system, then I will enter a trade. Now I just took a trade on volatility 25 index 1x. Now look at my equity has reduced to $1. Now the trade is going to last for 5 minutes. Now we're going to observe it for 5 consecutive minutes and see how the result play. I just saw a condition that is right now, and I've taken a trade. Now we are going to see the movement of the graph in this format. The market is moving in this format, so let's observe and see how this result will end after 5 minutes. You have to take your time. It might be going sour, and the market may retrace back to the direction you actually wanted it to go. So that is the movement. Let's allow it to play for 5 minutes. So that is it. This is how it works. So we are making progress. We're going to go for 5 minutes all the way. So this trade has made so many people rich. If you stick to the normal trend, you keep to the rules, stick to the conditions, you don't switch, your results will come out well and positive. Your results will come out well and very positive. So you have to have this, you need these indicators for positive results. You need these indicators for positive results. You need these indicators to make your money count. So we are getting these results. It's going to go back and forth, but I believe it will go in my direction because I have spotted the move right from a distance that this journey is going to go successful. That is why I picked the 5 minutes time frame, and I'm looking forward to achieving that feat at 5 minutes. I have spotted the move and it's going to go in my direction with what I'm seeing. Okay, now without these indicators, your result will not come out good. You need these indicators to get you that maximum result. If you can take this trade serious with good indicators on your PC, not mobile phone will not give you the right interface. Mobile phone will give you something that is not accurate. Your result will be 50-50. The chance of making success here will be 50-50 if you are using the mobile. That is my candid advice. Your results will be 50-50. So if you are using the mobile, please don't expect to make much from this business. But if you are using the PC, I promise you, your results will come out good. Your result will come out good if you are using the PC. The PC version of the indicators are very smart. I have good ones that can give you what you actually want, what you really want, but you have to work diligently with it. You don't have to enter any position or take any trade when the condition is not right. You will not get the result. You will end up blowing your accounts. I had to break this code because I really want to make my people grow. I really want to share this information, share this view, so that at least we'll be able to get positive results on this trade. You know, when the result is positive, every one of us that is involved will smile. If you are doing the right thing, I believe you always smile at the end of the day when you see results coming out from what you're doing. And that is what I'm sharing with you guys now. I'm sharing this with you so that you will get positive results from this business. It is not good we blow our equity every day. We blow our funds every day because we want to enrich the river, or want to enrich whoever is controlling the MT5 platform. No, we are doing this to make sure we come out of a certain level. And I think we just hit our TP now, and the result has come out as predicted. So with this indicator, my friend, my viewers, and my listeners, we are good to go. We have won this trade. This trade is successful. Now the trade is successful. Let's look at our equity. Remember, our equity after taking the trade, we had $1. Now look at what we have in our equity. Our equity has increased to 3.85 USD. It has increased to 3.85 USD. And this is how you take this trade successfully. If you can do this successfully for 15 times consecutively. Now I'm going to roll over these things. This equity I just won now. This price I just won now. I'm going to roll it over. My next trade will be on that. I'm going to roll it over so that my next trade will be on 2.85. That is it. I'm going to take my next trade to be 2 points. My battery is fucking low. My next trade will be 2.85 Now a profit will come out 5.5 USD. So that is my target. The next trade I'm going to take will give me 5.5 USD. So I'm going to pause this video and look for a suitable condition. Whenever the condition is met on my charts, on my PC, I will enter the market and boom, we'll keep rolling. I think I just spotted a sniper entry at VIX 75. So I'm going to go down to VIX 75 and wait for the condition to be met. Then I'm going to go for it. I'm going to go for the 5 minutes time frame again, and I'm going to observe the movement. Now let's see how it goes. I'm going to go for this now. Okay, we've entered the trade now. Now we're going to monitor for another 5 minutes and watch how this one goes. The movement has begun. I'm going to take this trade for 5 minutes. I don't want this video to be long, so maybe after this one I'll post it. But at the end of the day, if you keep to these rules and regulation, if you keep to these rules, follow it as stated. You saw it. I did not switch my phone to any indicators or switch to MT5. I was taking the position from my PC. I looked into my PC to get the accuracy, the movement of the trend. Then I entered the position. So we're going to wait. 5 minutes is still very far. This is just 4 minutes now. The time is still counting. It is counting, so we're going to wait until the 5 minutes elapses and we're going to see the results. So let's wait. My battery is low. I don't want to stress my phone. The battery is low, so we're going to observe this trade for the next 3 minutes. Let's see the results, how it plays. Okay, let's see how it goes. It's going back and forth. It's still gonna go. Now we're about to hit target, and look at the time. The time is almost there. So I told you that if you have these indicators, my friend, my viewers, my listeners, my brothers and my subscribers out there, if you have these indicators, you will milk the forex markets. You will make it. We just won this trade and it was won fair and square, and here is the result. Now look at it. The equity was once 2.4. Now we have grown. We are growing to 6.5. Now we are going to proceed further, but currently my battery is low, and you know how the lighting system of this part of the world is. My battery is low. I don't have a power to power my battery now, so I'm going to shut the video here and proceed with more results from this trade in my next video. So see you guys. It is real. You can really make money from the internet. You can make money trading in this platform. You can make money. Now, a lot of persons are complaining there are scammers out there. No, this is no scam. This is legit. This is real. This is no scam. This is legit. It is you. You can do it all by yourself. If you want me to, if you want to learn this, if you want training, if you want me to tutor you, to guide you, to put you through in this, you can indicate your interest. You just want to learn this thing so that you can be a master, a master of your own. Yeah, learning is something we do every day, and there is nothing like nothing like every education, whatever thing you learn is not a waste. So It might be useful to you someday. You might also be a tutor or a teacher tomorrow to somebody. So whatever trade you learn, whatever thing you learn in life, it is not lost. You can learn anything and become a champ. Me, I learned these things and I started from the scratch, trying to know how this thing works, and here I am giving you informations. If not for you guys, I don't think I will be here, but I'm here trying to make sure I guide you as well so that you can get maximum result from this, So I'm going to end this video here because my battery is damn low, and I'll proceed further in my next video. Remember, let me remind you, if you are using a mobile phone, you will not get 100% results. But if you are using a PC, your result will be as I am giving it out now. I just took 2 trades and you saw the results. I'm going to roll over this 5.57 for my next target. I'm going to roll this over. My phone is misbehaving, don't worry. I'm going to pause this video here. So this is it. My battery is low, so I'm going to pause it here and proceed in my next video. But remember, the PC version of MT5 is needed. So when you get your PC, try download the PC version of the MT5. Download it in your PC. Then that same username and password you use in login to your mobile, use it to log into your PC. Then I can guide you on how to set it up or set it up. Then when you need indicators, you let me know. After making your payments, I copy and send to you, and you will install. I will guide you on how to install them and how to draw the trend, how to take the trend, how to monitor, and when to enter the trade, when to enter. If you want me to direct you, I'll give you 1, 2, 3 directions on when to enter the trade, and it's going to sell to your favor, it's going to buy to your favor. This is what I've been doing. I tried to crack this code for days now, and I think I did earlier today, and it has been working all day. So I decided to make this video so that you can get the picture. But remember, without these indicators, you can't get the results. So don't forget, let me know on the comment section what you think, and how we can improve on this and make us all a success. I actually don't like seeing people fail. I actually want to see results. That is why I'm giving this video, so that when we all are having a good result, I believe everybody will smile at the end of the day and testimonies will be rolling in. So see you guys in my next video. This is Mikey's Forest School of Business Management signing off here to bring a very educative and informative video in my next upload. Bye. Thanks for joining me.